We're here at Riot's Corsicana facility. This is a facility we've been developing for the past couple years, and this is very exciting because it has a total 1 gigawatt of capacity. That's the largest known site in the world. There very well may never be a site that big again.
You know, when we first came here, it was a huge property, obviously. Yeah, it was pretty daunting. There's no roadmap for something like this, right? It hasn't been built before. So the fact that all of these people that haven't done this and there's no ingredient list to go off of are coming up with this stuff themselves, and then, you know, constantly adapting to the challenges that come up every day. So it's just very exciting.
We're here because of Bitcoin. We are motivated and driven because of Bitcoin. And having that long-term belief drives us and supports us making these decisions that don't seem so popular in bear markets, but then are a huge advantage to us when the market turns around.